I remember the moment I realized I wanted to make my first $1,000 as a teenager. I was scrolling through social media, seeing all these posts about people my age making money online, and I thought, why not me? So I decided to dive in and figure it out. First, I looked at my skills and interests. I love graphic design and had a knack for creating cool visuals. So I set up a profile on a freelance platform. It felt a bit daunting at first, but I knew I had to start somewhere. I created a portfolio showcasing my best work, even if it was just a few school projects. I put myself out there, offering to design logos and social media graphics for small businesses. The first few gigs were tough. I had to hustle to find clients, sending out proposals and messages. I remember the thrill of landing my first job. It was a small project, but it paid $50. I felt like I was on top of the world. I delivered the work, and the client loved it, which led to more referrals. Word of mouth became my best friend. As I gained confidence, I raised my rates. I realized that my time and skills were valuable. I also started to diversify my income. I explored print-on-demand services, designing t-shirts and mugs. I set up an online store and promoted it on social media. It was exciting to see my designs come to life, and every sale felt like a mini victory. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. There were times when I faced rejection or when clients didn't respond. I learned to handle criticism and use it to improve my work. I also discovered the importance of time management. Balancing school, friends, and my side hustle was challenging, but I created a schedule that allowed me to stay on top of my responsibilities. Networking played a huge role in my journey. I reached out to other freelancers and joined online communities. I learned so much from others who were on the same path. Collaborating with fellow creatives opened doors to new opportunities and helped me refine my skills. After a few months of hard work, I finally hit that $1,000 mark. It felt surreal. I remember celebrating with my friends, sharing my success story. That moment taught me the value of perseverance and creativity. I realized that making money as a teenager wasn't just about the cash. It was about building confidence and learning valuable skills that would benefit me in the future. Looking back, I'm grateful for the challenges I faced. They pushed me to grow and adapt. I learned that with determination and a bit of creativity, anything is possible. Making that first $1,000 was just the beginning, and it ignited a passion for entrepreneurship that I carry with me today.